GitHub is one of the must-have profiles you need as a software developer. The first thing someone will see when they go to your GitHub page is your README. So you need to make it as structured and pleasing to the viewer's eye as possible. And I'm going to show you how. Here's your tutorial on how to create an amazing README profile in GitHub in less than 5 minutes. Start the clock. So we're going to add the following interactive parts to make your profile stand out: a header, social media buttons, an intro, some toolkit stickers, and your GitHub stats. So let's get to it. As you can see, I already have a decent README here. So I'm just going to go to a random repository and create a new README there. Let's check this one. Okay, no README here. Let's create one. Right now, the README is just an empty file. Here's where we're going to do our coding, and here is where you can preview what it's going to look like. This repo is for my assignments in a specific course, but we're going to make it for a random person called Alice. The first thing we're going to do is make the sections for all our bits and bobs. We're going to add an about me, languages and tools, and some stats. So READMEs are markdown files, and in a markdown file, one hashtag is the same as a H1 tag. That means it gives you the largest font. The more the hashtags you have, the smaller the font. So you need to have an empty line between each line to have space between them. You see? The more hashtags they are, the smaller the font. So in our about me, let's put some random stuff about Alice. If we want to add an emoji in the section title, we can use colons and the emoji name. Let's preview this. Great. Next up, for the languages and tools. Let's add another emoji here. So in our languages and tools sections, we're going to add some stickers using the image tag. Let's create a divider here. So you add the image tag with the source file. So somebody created these awesome icons and you can access them using this link. And then you just put the name of the icon that you want. So let's say we want HTML. HTML5/HTML-original.svg. So you added the title HTML5, added our alt text, and now we're going to add the size. Then we just close the image tag with this ampersand and NBSP. Let's preview. And there we go. This is our HTML sticker. This section is just to show what languages and what tools that we use. Let's do the same for CSS, Angular, Vue, and Git. So let's see the preview, and this is what we get. And there's all our languages and tools that we use. Now let's move on to the stats. Let's go and get rid of all these Alices. So this awesome guy called Packer created these stat stickers that anybody can put on their profile. Just check the link in the comments where you can copy and paste this code. All you have to do is copy, paste, and alter the name of your profile. So in the first link, we're going to change the username to whatever your username is here. And if you read the documentation, you can change the theme as well. So wherever it says username, just change it to your username. And you can also change the theme. Also in this link, we'll change the username. So this link is for the stats of your current README. This link is for the stats of your streak on GitHub. And this link is for the top languages that you use. Let's check it out. It looks so good already. We can add the space between this so we can tell other people that we're open for collaborations. Again, I'm just going to copy and paste this code. Here's where you change it to your actual email. Here's where I added the link to my LinkedIn on the word LinkedIn. Let's see what it looks like. There we go. Now let's add a header and some social media badges. Again, I'm just going to copy and paste this code. You can go onto the Shield's website to see other badges like these. In the href, you just change the links. There are badges for all sorts of social media platforms. The cool thing in GitHub is you can upload a picture to add as a header, and that's exactly what I did. I picked and dropped one of my favorite Bitmojis from my file explorer, then added the link into this image tag. Let's see what it looks like. And there you go, your awesome README profile. I left a bonus gift in the comments for you where an article goes into more detail. And that's it, your README is all set up.